Hello everyone. I'm still a little bit ill, so apologies if my voice sounds more droll than normal. Okay, so yeah, basically the idea behind this, I had a ton of double corrugated cardboard and I just didn't do anything with it, so I thought 40k road plates. So yeah, basically all you have to do is just decide on the size and shape. I decided on, I think it was around 8 inches, so it was like 4 inches either side. I wanted like a little sidewalk as well. It's not a full path. I think I might make some separate paths in the same style. Then I just glued some 60 grit sandpaper on top of that because it was like a pack of 20 for £1. It was amazing. Then I glued the little paths on top of that. Then to cover up the sides, I just used some thin card. I got that from Wylock's Armoury when he made these dungeon tiles, I believe. Now these Cork Tiles, these are really good because they all already have an adhesive backing. So you could just glue them straight down like you see in there. But just to make sure they didn't come off, I just gave them a quick run around with tacky glue. So they definitely weren't going anywhere. And every time I use something new that I've never used on the channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start posting direct links to that item in my VIP only Discord. So if you're a VIP supporter on my Patreon and you're part of my Discord, you'll get access to all the direct links. So yeah, there I used my DIY texture paste. In the end, it didn't really matter what colour I used. Anyway, so then I just gave it a dry brush with light grey. The colour didn't really show up because my lights are quite bright, but I can assure you they are light grey. It showed up better when I go over in white. Here you see, yeah, it shows up much better. I was really happy with these. I think these must have cost like less than a penny per section. I think I'll make some more. Like I said, I'm going to make some actual sidewalks or pavements. I may even make some modular buildings to go along. Just let me know in the comments what you think. If you think that'd be a cool thing to see. I mean, maybe making paths would probably be quite boring, but who knows. So yeah, this stencil was just really easy. I just ensured it was cut size so it sat in between each section of the pavement. So it was central. Then I just lightly dabbed on some off yellow with a sponge. And as you can see, it turned out really cool. And there is the final result. So please do let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit subscribe and please don't forget that notification bell. Bye for now, folks.